What's up guys? My name is Mitchell, welcome to my channel. Today I'm putting in some Sumosprings on the front, my F350. The front bushings are going out in it. Got some Sumosprings for the front and the rear, and go ahead and put them in. Stay tuned. Here's what came in the box. I got the black springs in the front, and a couple of stickers, and the instructions. Definitely overdue, and these will really help distribute the weight. Just installed the front hitch. I think it turned out pretty clean. Gonna have my generator up front and some extra storage for the camper that's back there. So anyway, we'll take a look, see what we're working with underneath. So when I tell you the front bushing needs repair, that's because it's gone. There's nothing left on the right. And if you look hard, that's what's left on the left. Just a little piece still clinging on for dear life. So I got the truck for a really good price, and you know, just adding some support and suspension components to help it distribute the load a little bit better. It's certainly rated for what I need it for, but this is just extra security and extra peace of mind. All right, so you can see there's the bottom plate and there's the top plate, and that's where the spring is supposed to be. So there's nothing there, which means the front end has all this play that it shouldn't have, and there's no bump stop for the front suspension. So we're about to fix that. A little bit of liquid motivation. All right, top out. All right, so here's what we took out. Nothing in there, no bump stops. So here's what we're working with. So we're gonna take this screw and this spacer, just like that. And then this bump stop, we'll thread on here just like that with some Loctite. It says to make sure you position the nut that the spring is going to go on towards the front of the truck. So we'll make sure to do that. And here it is from the below angle. The stud is forward per the instructions, and I'm going to install the Sumospring directly on that stud. Wow. That was considerably easier than I expected it to be. I mean, it just spun right on there, a little Loctite, and it's gonna ride right there on that flat spot once I lower the suspension back down. Super easy to install. I'm impressed. And it's exponentially better than the bump stop that was not there. And as you can see, right side sitting nice and flush on that bump stop. And this piece of crap was what was hanging in midair, doing absolutely nothing, just falling apart. Glad to have the Sumosprings in there. All in all, I'm really happy. We'll see how it drives. Again, I like the idea of having some front bump stops, especially when I'm towing a 4,000-pound camper on a dually. So the suspension on this isn't great. I know that. I'm trying to do the best I can to make it safe and to make it ride a little bit better under the circumstances. So if you're checking them out, hopefully this video helps. Hopefully it was worth your time. Until next time, take care. God bless.